Chinese New Year means a lot to many Chinese people. It means take away all the bad things and welcome new things and good things. It's time for all the family members come together and dine together. It's time for our ancestors to pray and to look for betterment.
Favourite thing is seeing the food and doing the crafts.
This event is a wonderful opportunity for families to explore the traditions of Lunar New Year and encourage friendship and understanding between children from different communities. Building these connections help create a kinder and more welcoming and inclusive world for everyone.
It's been fantastic welcoming all the people into the library today to help us celebrate the Lunar New Year, and there's always lots of events going on in the library, and we hope to welcome more people to the library soon.